Patriot, the most advanced air and missile defense solution, recognized around the globe for combat-proven performance and superior technology. 16 nations depend on Patriot as the foundation for their defense. Together, these partner countries invest in continuous enhancement and testing to outpace evolving threats. Our customers require a solutions-based approach to defense, featuring next-generation systems designed with an open architecture and tailored to their specific needs. Solutions that are co-developed and co-produced by a network of over 2,800 global suppliers, using the latest innovations in technology and manufacturing. Patriot engineers work with immersive technology and 3D virtual reality to collaborate and create future-facing design and manufacturing solutions. Groundbreaking enhancements use gallium nitride and AESA radar technology to increase detection range, power, and enable 360-degree coverage. New Common Command and Control allows seamless operation with partner and allied systems, and the ability to simultaneously fire multiple missile types, matching the right missile to the threat. The result is a comprehensive portfolio of air and missile defense solutions that are ready for today and right for tomorrow.